Hi, welcome. Can't wait to introduce to you 1901 Galbreth Road here in East Pasadena. It's a beautiful upgraded Tudor style home. 2-bedroom, 1 bath, just over 1,000 square foot on a 7,700 square foot lot. Pool in the back, especially perfect for this hot weather. The bonus about this house is that it comes with plans ready to expand to a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And in the last couple of years, this house has been done to the nines, and I can't wait for you to come inside and take a peek. Come with me.